The Intelligent Speed Limit Warning and Assist system on your Genesis is a unique new safety feature that is designed to monitor the posted speed limit and display it in the instrument cluster. In addition, it will allow you to adjust your cruise control speed whenever the posted speed limit changes, with just the press of a switch. You can even set an offset either above or below the posted speed limit for when you use Smart Cruise Control. The system uses a windshield-mounted camera to help detect speed limit signs as you pass them on the road, as well as map data from the navigation system. The vehicle will display the speed limit according to both the camera detection and the navigation map data while you're driving. You can set the system to Assist mode, Warning mode, or Off. In Warning mode, the speed limit graphic will appear in the LCD display. In Assist mode, whenever a speed limit sign is detected, your cruise control set speed can be adjusted to match either the posted speed limit or the speed limit plus or minus an offset value that you select. To select the system mode, select Setup, then Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then select Speed Limit. Here, you can either enable the speed limit warning feature or the assist feature, and you can select an offset value. When in warning mode, the system will recognize speed limit signs that are posted along the roadway and display the speed limit as a graphic on the LCD display. The system will also notify you when you are driving over the posted speed limit by displaying the graphic in red as an indication. Otherwise, the speed limit graphic will be black. When you select Assist mode, you can choose to select a speed limit offset value. When a speed limit sign is detected, you can then adjust your speed to the posted speed plus or minus the offset with one click of the cruise control up-down toggle switch. Select Speed Limit Offset from the menu and choose between +3, +5, -3, or -5 miles per hour as the offset value. If you choose 0, then the speed limit warning and assist will default to the posted speed limit. Whenever your Smart Cruise Control set speed is enabled, the Intelligent Speed Limit Assist will monitor your set speed and also detect the posted speed limit signs along the road. The system will notify you if your current speed is different from the posted speed, plus or minus the offset that you have chosen. You must acknowledge and initiate the change in vehicle speed by pressing plus or minus on the cruise control speed adjustment switch. The vehicle will then adjust the speed automatically, plus or minus the preset offset. You can also ignore the alert and it will disappear after 5 to 8 seconds. The Intelligent Speed Limit Warning and Assist system has certain limitations. The system may not always be able to detect the speed limit sign as your vehicle is driving by. There may be a vehicle in an adjacent lane blocking the view, or if your vehicle is in a lane that may be too far from the sign to properly detect it while driving by. Also note that the camera detection system may be limited in rainy or snowy weather conditions. For a full list of circumstances in which the systems may not be active, as well as other information on the systems, please see your owner's manual. While Intelligent Speed Limit Warning and Assist may provide assistance, it is not in control of your vehicle. You are. Always keep in mind that safe driving is your responsibility. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.